Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Particular is to fussy, blank is to subservient. A, meek, B, above, C, cranky, D, uptight. The correct answer is letter A. Particular is a synonym for fussy, and meek is a synonym for subservient. Diamond is to baseball, court is to blank. A, poker, B, jury, C, grass, D, squash. The correct answer is letter D. Baseball is played on a diamond and squash is played on a court. Piercing is to blank. Hushed is to whisper. A, diamond, B, watch, C, siren, D, ears. The correct answer is letter C. A siren is described as piercing and a whisper is described as hushed. Monarch is to blank, king is to cobra. A, queen, B, butterfly, C, royal, D, venom. The correct answer is letter B. A monarch is a type of butterfly and a king is a type of cobra. Scrub is to wash. Sob is to blank. A, cry, B, water. C, sad, D, tease. The correct answer is letter A. To scrub is to wash vigorously and to sob is to cry convulsively. Rook is to chess. Blank is to badminton. A, grass, B, tennis, C, shuttlecock, D, swing. The correct answer is letter C. A rook is a piece used in the game of chess, and a shuttlecock is used to play the game of badminton. Doze is to sleep, tiptoe is to blank. A, walk, B, flat, C, shelf, D, swim. The correct answer is letter A. To doze is to sleep lightly and to tiptoe is to walk lightly. Deplete is to decrease, blank is to avoid. A, danger, B, dislike, C, miss, D, shun. The correct answer is letter D. To deplete is to decrease completely and to shun is to avoid completely. Cub is to bear. Joey is to blank. A, cave, B, doll, C, kangaroo, D, truck. The correct answer is letter C. A cub is a young bear and a joey is a young kangaroo. Ramp is to highway, blank is to house. A, traffic, B, head, C, door, D, speed. The correct answer is letter C. You enter and exit a highway by a ramp and you enter and exit a house by a door. Did you get perfect?